SUPRAUNO, developed by Deven Supercriticals, is a patented sustainable waterless dyeing and finishing technology that revolutionizes textile dyeing using supercritical carbon dioxide as the medium instead of water. Our innovative solution, for the first time in the world, allows the waterless use of conventional dyes and their traditional trichrome recipes in the sustainable dyeing operation of various man-made and natural fabric types, including polyester, nylon, acrylic, viscose, cotton, linen, wool, and blends using supercritical carbon dioxide. SUPRAUNO further uses no salt for cotton dyeing, requires no reduction clearing for polyester, and dyes blends like polyester cotton together in a single bath, reducing chemical use by up to 90%, water use by up to 77%, and energy use by up to 51% in the dyeing step. The three SUPRAUNO dyeing vessels work synchronously to achieve this. Let's take a closer look at how this process works. First, the ready-for-dyeing fabric is coated with a thin layer of the dye solution containing the dyes and auxiliary chemicals. Once the fabric is pre-coated, it's dried and formed into multiple beams, each one becoming a batch, ready to enter the SUPRAUNO dyeing vessels. Once a batch is prepared, the operator carefully moves the fabric beam from the winding area and positions it in front of the SUPRAUNO dyeing vessel. Then, using a pendant switch, the operator moves the C-clamps and opens the SUPRAUNO dyeing vessel. The fabric beam is then slid smoothly into position, and the vessel is closed, ready to begin the dyeing process. From the central human-machine interface, another operator starts the dyeing process, setting the SUPRAUNO dyeing system in motion. SUPRAUNO operates through 4 major steps. The first step is flushing, where any air inside the vessel from the loading stage is pushed out using carbon dioxide. Next, during the pressurization step, the carbon dioxide from the storage tank enters the dyeing vessel in its supercritical form at precise pressure and temperature to exhaust and penetrate the dye molecules already present on the surface of the fabric into the matrix of the fabric to achieve dyeing. Once dyeing is complete, the depressurization step begins. Here, the carbon dioxide from the vessel is recovered and recycled back into the storage tank through a separator, creating a closed-loop system that recovers about 95% of the CO₂ used in the process. Finally, when the pressure in both the vessel and tank equalizes, the remaining CO₂ is safely vented, completing the dyeing cycle. Then, the dyed fabric is ready to be removed from the vessel for a mild washing step. The average batch time of the SUPRAUNO process is about 2 hours. The innovative features of SUPRAUNO make it very simple to use, most efficient, truly versatile, easily scalable, and yet economically viable, thus ideal for achieving the sustainability goals of the textile industry around the world. Deven Supercriticals is a pioneering supercritical fluid technology developer since the last 25 years and is committed to revolutionizing the textile industry with their SUPRAUNO technology, minimizing environmental impacts, and offering eco-friendly waterless dyeing and finishing solutions uniquely suitable for all types of textiles. Come, experience the unique benefits of dyeing all textiles with SUPRAUNO.